What's up, my loves? How are you guys? How are you been doing this new year? What you been on? You been chilling or not? It's cold. It's supposed to snow a lot today here. So I'm about to get to my destination so I can go ahead and sit down because I'm not driving in this mess. Today is my my little cousin slash nephew, because he called me TT Toya, birthday. Look, it ain't a party because of COVID, but it's like, you know, her aunt's or whatever. So basically I'm just going to be supportive of my fave. Yeah, because, you know, we gotta have our wine and stuff while the children play around. And I think I'm just gonna stay at her house, especially if it get bad. I live too far out to be driving like back and forth. So yeah, that's what's happening. But first, I must go get birthday gifts. So let's go. It's a snowstorm. It's a snowstorm. Oh, wait a minute. What's it called? Thumbnail.
What's it called? Wonderland, bitch.
Y'all, This literally happened with like an hour phase. Is the shovel going? Huh? This shovel going? Okay.
It's okay.
Don't lick the snow.
Don't lick the snow. Oh, sure, I can't see shit back there. Nikki, where your foot? Calm down, Krista.
Ooh, this.
You cold?
Ooh, it's cold. I'm hiding my license plate so y'all won't be stalking me. It's snowing. Y'all, it is truly snowing. I don't know if y'all can really tell and see. If I do it by the lights, y'all can see the snow. But it's snowing. And this happened within an hour, y'all. It's like, y'all really can't tell from because y'all on camera, but it's like an eerie movie right now out here. I need to get in someplace where it's non-slip because my ass is clumsy. And everyone knows that about me. I mean, I hate snow, but it's so pretty. Like when it be on the trees that don't have any leaves, it be pretty. Oh, oh, little Mike and I. I'm ready to get back in the house now. But Faith, you gotta shovel her mama's snow so she won't be falling or nothing out here. Cause it's dangerous at this point. Ooh, get back in the car. Cause it's cold. Babe putting in work. Ooh, oh shit.
Don't run.
Oh!